5 laps, best of 5 laps.
Yeah, I'm not racing, dude.
Okay, no, we're not gonna race.
I can, but I'm not gonna race.
Okay, go.
No,
I'll let you get a head start.
We gotta start at the top.
Huh?
We gotta start at the top.
Okay, start. You get to the top then.
I don't like these first two. All the other ones are good.
All right. Welcome to It's a Dyer Thing. I'm with Mr. Sage, and this is BMX track racing. There we go. So this is oh, nice. This is off of North York bicycle path, just in the northern Toronto region. Nice little bike path, and it's got this little BMX park in the back here, where I came by the other day, and I'm like, ooh, let's go check this thing out. I want to see what this is all about, right? So, oh, and he tries to go for the overtake. Oh, watch your ankles. So,
damn.
Oh, that's where you got to do the pass. Is down at the bottom, I guess. So
yeah, go ahead.
There we go.
That. Oh, dude, you just spit so much fucking dirt up at it.
Eat my rooster tail, baby.
Holy. That actually
Really?
crazy. Yeah, dude, I just got rocks whipped at me like nuts. And then I didn't realize I was going too fast there, and I went right off.
Oh.
So I jumped. I landed crooked. Yo, you're nuts.
Yeah. There we go. Ooh. You're almost up. All right, keep going.
When you start getting messed up, if you don't get back on, you're just hitting another jump.
Spin out.
Tough one.
That's tough. Yeah. So that was that. Yeah. So the ground is still it's not slippery, but it's slick.
It's just soft.
Yeah. If you're coming in too hot, you start to drift. All right, that's good.
One more. Oh no! This is gonna kill me.
Huh?
This is her pants and shirt.
Yeah. Not Oops. The right pants.
You you had that on video? Or?
Yeah, I got it. I got it on my phone.
All right. Good. Take a 2-minute break. Wow, that itches your back so bad.
Let me get the.
Ow.
Use that as a tabletop.
My back is so itchy.
Oh, because of the grass?
I don't know what I landed in, but it's itchy, like real bad. I don't know.
Oh yeah, scratched yourself a bit.
Oh yeah.
All right, should we head back?
I'd do 1 more, 2 more, it doesn't matter.
Huh?
I'm fine. I'm having fun.
Yeah.
It is cool.
No. Far, high. Okay, far and high.
Oh. Hello, drone. catching up.
Oh, I was catching up to you.
I know you were. That's why I pulled off. Can't leave.
I think there's some nice. You can get some nice air ones on the back ones. Oh, those two.
Oh yeah.
Those ones are nice.
It's just hard for me not to twist my body.
Yeah, that second one, the second hump is nice.
Yeah, the second one is nice actually.
Yeah.
If you time it nicely, you kind of land right into the dip.
Got this one.
Yeah.
You got it. You got it.
No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't.
Oh, you alright?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay.
I ain't doing nothing.
No. No, I want to look at it anyways. So, where are you? Okay.
Okay, and then we're going.
Huh? Oh. I spun up going up. I went up there and it spun me up going up it. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, I completely I bottom out. All right.
I like going up this spine.
Yeah. Okay. All right, let's go back. Food time. Oh, big stairs here. All right, let's go. All right, well, there you have it, guys. That was a fun day today of enjoying ourselves on the EUCs, ripping some trails and some BMX parks, and then a couple of skate parks. So until next time, y'all be safe, be good, have fun, take care. Don't forget, always keep it covered. Yes. 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 Oh, where's he going? Where are you going? Huh? Oh! Oh, not bad. That's a tough get on though. You got to kind of zing 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 on and then get straight on it. Ooh.
It's very narrow.
Yeah. Yeah. Not bad at all, bud. Smart. All right. Bye bye.